welcome back to Cad's Review. Today is day number 21 of the 25 days of Christmas. And today we are unboxing a 13-in-1 pressure cooker from Gourmia. And we've had some really great products from them to review. And this is, like I said, the 13-in-1 pressure cooker with Speed Sense technology, and it cooks up to 70% faster. And I do want to announce they are giving one of these away. And so all you have to do is like the video, subscribe to us, put on your notifications, and fill out the form below, and we will contact the winner when the contest is over. So let's unbox and see what it's inside. Okay, so we have the Express Pot pressure cooker, and this gives you all the food and the timing. So we have, so let's just, you can actually make a cake in here. It takes 40 minutes. And you can, let's see, poultry is 30 minutes, and the cooking time range is 1 minute and 4 hours. 4 hours and 1 minute. And it just gives you all the settings for all the different types of food. Okay, so, and this is the manual, user manual. And they give you a nice recipe book, so just some different things. You can make oatmeal with raisins, eggs, yogurt, smoky bacon and bean soup. And let's see, broiled pork. So this is a tenderloin with garlic salt, pepper, bay leaf, rosemary, and sage. And this will cook for 4 hours on slow cook. And they have roasted chicken, which I'm trying to see the timing. You can make meatballs and sauce, beef stew. And then you can look on the chart and it will tell you how long to cook it. So I guess it's 20 minutes, and then you set for another 10 minutes after when you put the vegetables in. So some really good recipes in here, and plus we have everything you need to know. And this is just the diagram of, has a removable pot, and this is the steamer lid, and it just gives you a detailed look at everything that's on the pressure cooker. So, and then it also lists the problems, so this is a great thing. I mean, I've never used one. I've heard they're great, so I can't wait to actually use it. So, for instance, one problem is the lid will not close, and it gives you the possible cause, and then it gives you solutions. And all the way down the line, it gives you different things, why it would be causing that problem. And then, of course, we got the setting chart again, and we have the big chart that I just showed you. So, and then it tells you cleaning and maintenance. All right. And we get the plug. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this out of here. I'll be right back. All right, so I have that unboxed, and let's see. So now this is the steamer, and these are all the different settings. So they have rice, porridge, multigrain, cake, saute, slow cook, and there's the steam release, and this is the time adjust. And the cover comes off like that. And then we have the pot that comes out. And it goes in like that, and it gives you all the measurements, which I love. I never used the old pressure cookers they just seemed really difficult to use, but this looks very simple, and I know some people that do have one and they love it. So you can see inside everything's gives you the max, and then how many quarts for each recipe, and then like I said, it does come with a little measuring cup. And let's see what's in this. Oh, little spatula. I just want to wrap that back up again when I'm done. Oh, and that's the little rack. So I think like when you make a cake or whatever on here. And in a future video, I will demonstrate how to use this. I'll do some different recipes, maybe make a cake, soup, and maybe a main course, just so you can see how it's actually done. So I just want to read up on it a little bit and be able to show you the right way how it's done. So I'm gonna just put the cover back on this. So you just, I guess you gotta just make sure it's sealed in. And actually, there we go. All right, so, and that's it. And this looks really great. I can't wait to use it and to try out some different recipes with it. And again, like I said, we are doing a giveaway with Gourmia. There'll be one winner will receive one of these express pot pressure cookers. And all you have to do is like and subscribe, and make sure you turn on your notifications for other giveaways that we'll be having. And make sure you fill out the form, and we'll let you know when we pick a winner. And thanks again to Gourmia for sending out the pressure cooker for us to test out. And we'll see you tomorrow for day number 22. And we'll see you next time. Bye.